seriousness, and I think
thiko ya kere ya kwamukira mawoni ma muingi megie mogaruruku mawatho-ini ma ithurano kamiti ya hamwe na iria yumbitwo ni ajumbe kuma bunge ya kibururi na iria ya Senate yacungirerio gutetera mirutire yayo ya wira thutha wa mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga kumikirira nganja.
The perception that is being created outside there that this committee perhaps is not fully constituted. It is perhaps handling matters in a biased manner in favor of one side of the coalition. We would like to inform the nation.
This is a select committee of both houses. They are the ones who relegated their responsibility by being on the streets. And this is where they have been elected to come and prosecute their matters. We still plead with them to come back to the committee and to come back to the house and represent Kenyans who have elected them.
Gikaro kia muthi utakia muthenya wa ira nikikomeirwo ni ajumbe mwena wa mung'ethaniro makiria thutha wao kumikumithia makiuga ni kamiti ya kiama kia Jubilee nditi kamiti ya Kenya.
So don't say Jubilee is not complaining. Jubilee cannot complain. If you leave the ground as it was last time, that is what they want. We are not going to agree to go back unless changes are made.
Muthenya wa ira munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto thutha wa gucemania na kamiti ya IEBC ni arathingatira mundu wothe ungikorwo na mawoni ngurani megie mawatho maya mendekithitio gwikinya mbere ya kamiti ino ya bunge kionereria kiiganu ati Jubilee ndihariirie gutiganiria mawatho maya.
There is a mechanism for, as I said, any individual or groups of individuals to engage parliament.
Murugamo uyu ni uhinyiriirio na makiria ni speaker wa bunge ya kibururi Justin Muturi uria uteteire uruti wira wa kamiti ino akiuga kwa gwikinya kwa bunge ya mung'ethaniro ni wendi wao.
But suffice to say, I have approved them because they are in compliance with the constitution and the law and the standing orders. That's all that I'm required to do.
Ndugamano ino igithiaga na mbere kamiti ino ni thire na mbere kwamukira mawoni kuma kuri muingi hamwe na ikundi ngurani kuria nayo kanjo ya makanitha ikitie hoya kuri bunge gutereria mawatho maya nginyagia thutha wa githurano giukite gia tariki 26.
Funga watu wale wanakosea Kenya. Kenya ni inji yangu, sitaiacha milele kama.
For a dignified national opposition with facilitation and funding to be able to play its role of checking government in parliament and outside and promoting national integration and development.
Muthenya wa rucio niguo kamiti ino etanyite kwamukira mendekithia kuma kuri Jubilee, NASA na kamiti ya IEBC mbere ya kuhinga cikaro ciayo gugikinyeria gatano ga kiumia giki na thutha ucio kuneana riboti yayo bunge-ini yacokereria cikaro kiumia giukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mura wa Gunya.